Okay,
Thank you, Kyron.
go.
EOY2 reports. EOY2 program participation data has two aggregate reports to be reviewed after all required data has been posted. EOY 5.1 program participation counts. There are also supporting reports to assist in reconciling CalPADs to the local system of record. 5.2, 5.3 provide student details of the 5.1, and all this can be displayed on DataQuest. Please review the EOY data mapping guides that's located in the CalPADS user manual. There's a URL in the notes section of the presentation. This document will assist on which data elements are used in the counts for the aggregate reports. So let's join a live session where these reports are discussed in detail.
Okay, so here's your report 5.1. Again, you have your state programs and your federal programs. So the key takeaway here is that for 5.1, number one, this is unduplicated. Number two, some of the columns here is based on your CAR certification. Okay, so if a school is certified as a school-wide school, then if you submit a targeted program or a neglected program record to CalPADS, those won't reflect on the reports. Why? Because if a school is a school-wide school, all cumulative enrollments reported in CalPADS are accounted for. Okay. Case study number 2. Okay, so for case study number 2, I submitted the program 122 record in CalPADS for my high school, but the 5.1 report shows 0 counts. Please see SSID this. So let's go back to Mr. Rod Flanders here, and true enough, you submitted this record. How come CSIS Training Berkeley Unified is showing 0 counts under basic targeted? Let's see if that's the student is school-wide. And let's go back to the report. Berkeley Unified was school-wide. Okay, that's correct. If you notice on the previous section, so here you have Berkeley Unified with 19 counts. So everyone was counted under school-wide program. That's correct. Okay. Okay, so I have the third case study here. There is a discrepancy on my report 5.1. My SIS report show Berkeley High School should have 1 count for California Partnership Academy. However, it's showing zeros. Why is that? Let's look at this. So this is 5.1. So again, CPA only had 1 under Berkeley Unified. How come this is missing a record? So what to consider? You have to check the report mapping guide to see what the rules are. You also have to check if the enrollment and program data is in CalPADS. So let's go to this student in CalPADS. Jimbo Jones is enrolled at Berkeley High, and let's look at his programs. So it turns out the California Partnership Academy program is not in the ODS. That's why you have less count in your report. So what's your next step? If you submitted a file, how come it's not here? Did the ODS update it? That's one. Check your local mapping. Aha! Never posted. Let's see. That's another possibility here. So we go to view submission, and there you go. It's just in review. So if you click that, click on view, and click on view post pass records. Jimbo Jones record was not posted. It's not in the record section that passed, so maybe his record errored out. So you go to view errors, and true enough, you have the record here. So all of Jimbo Jones' records have not been posted in CalPAD. So that's the takeaway here. So there are three things you have to check. One, report mapping guide. Two, check the error list as well. Three, check if the student has a record in CalPADS in the ODS. If there's no record and you swear that you've posted a record, go back to view submissions. So you have to retrace your steps, okay?